Hey, Ford McMurray, Trevor here at Summit GM. I just want to come and talk to you guys about interest rates. Interest rates are rising. We see it across. We see mortgage rates going up. We see bank rates going up. Credit is something that is important for all of us. You know, I did an accounting degree in university and I couldn't believe that I graduated and learned nothing about credit. Credit's something that is going to become more and more important as time goes, and no one ever takes the time to teach you. So Summit GM, we want to reach out and do credit consulting course, complimentary, so you can come in, take a look. We deal with people all the time that are great people that had one or two bad things that happened to them and no one has ever taught them how to rebuild their credit. So if you'd like a courtesy credit consultation, reach out. We've got an entire department that is strictly based on credit rebuilding. So as interest rates are going up, don't get caught paying higher and higher rates based on something that is so simple that we can help you fix. So come down to Summit GM and allow us to help you go through a free credit consulting program with you.